Let me walk you through our new software, that is a web CRM. First of all, you have to log in. When you log in, it will take you to the dashboard where you will see various groupings of the data that has been available. First of all, there is the search bar. In the search bar, if you enter a company's name and you search, then it will display the company details. On the left hand side, you can see a drop down box where you will see all the types of clients that you have. These clients, when you select the clients and you retrieve, it will display the data at the bottom of the page, of the web page. You can also display the leads that have been generated in your software. First of all, we have to add a client to the database. A new client comes to the company and his details are added. So suppose a client comes who is a commercial dealer or a distributor of some product. So first of all, we'll enter the client's name. Company, building, his address, street, city, state, Tamil Nadu, pin, his phone number, the email address of the client, similarly name and designation of the person concerned, the website of the company, and after you have entered this data, you can add the new client. So it will come, the client record was added here. Once the client is added, then we go to the leads. We manage the lead. A new lead is created where this client has inquired about some product or some project. So we select the client, the inquiry, writing, inquiry date, contact person, project is in which state when you enter the lead, proposal, email, website. Once the inquiry is made, we add the inquiry to the database. The inquiry is added to the database. Now that the inquiry is there, we go back to the admin page. We display the lead. At the bottom of the page, we see that the lead has been created. So we click on this inquiry and it takes us back to the inquiry page. At this page, we check the inquiry and after that we convert it to a project by using the convert button on top. The new project was created, appears at the bottom. Once the project is created, we go to projects menu and we see the client in the left hand side drop down box. In this, we select the client and the project appears on the panel. We select the project. No milestones are there for right now. So we add a milestone for the project. Milestone. Discuss with client. 8 to 9. Contact person. Vijay. Status. In progress. Comments. Sample report to be given. We save the milestone. Then if we see select, we see that the milestone appears here and we can edit the progress from this. Edit the status from this edit box. Once the project is created, then we have entered the milestone. Then we go to tasks, manage tasks. So here the task that has to be done will appear. In this task, we can see the detail where the client's details are appearing here. We can edit the status of the task. And once the task is completed, here we can also see all the tasks that are in progress, completed, pending, cancel, all projects by 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Here the task pane ends. Then once the task is created, we can also go to the project list and see the project that has been created. All the projects that have been created over a period of time are listed out here. And once the project is created, then we go to proposals and manage the proposal. We can give a proposal to this company from this our end. Website. This is software development. Date. Currency rupees. We can store the proposal here and prepared by Cherry. Store the proposal. The proposal will appear on this panel. Once the proposal is accepted, we go to contracts, manage contract. We select the company. The contract details are entered here. Contract status is valid, prepared by person, and store the contract. Once the contract is executed, then we go to invoice and we prepare an invoice. Select the company. Invoice number, one time, date of the invoice, rupees, services, consult, store the invoice document here and prepared by Cherry. Store the invoice. The invoice is added and displayed here. Any expenses related to this company, this project is stored in this page. Select the company, the expense, thousand, utilities, date, rupees prepared by Cherry. Here it will store the expenses. Then we come to the time tracking. Here we can manage the tracking of the project. You select the project and query it, and it shows that this project is in progress right now. Similarly, we go to analytics and data analytics. We select commercial category. Select, there is one client. We select the client. We see it has added this, and it will display the progress of the project. In accounting, we can manage the accounts. We select a company, project, and it will display all the expenses and revenue from that particular project. Again, it will display the income here, income, profit, and expenses. Thank you. That will be all. You can log out at the top.